to my channel. Today we are getting about butterflies. You know how butterflies fly. Hi guys, today my dad gave me a surprise. I call this the surprise box. And I'm gonna open what is inside. I don't have idea what it is. I opened it. It's caterpillars. Here it is, and here is another one. Aren't they so cool? And it also gave me, I don't want to damage what's inside. Ooh. It's a cage for butterflies. It sure is windy out here. It's 100% of wind. Let's open it up and let's see what's inside. What's inside? Oh. Ooh, there's leaves. Here I have them. I have the instructions, leaves, the things I need to build. And this is a jar, so I can catch the butterflies. And it looks like sponge. It's a blue sponge. This is the stand. And this goes in the middle, right? Give me a few seconds and my dad is gonna help me assemble. These are the stages that a butterfly forms. Stage number 1, egg. Stage number 2, larva. Stage number 3, pupa, or you can call it chrysalis. Stage 4, the nice adult butterfly. No chrysalis fell. And the next one, why they're shaking is, it means that they think they're in danger, but they don't think that we are trying to help them, but we are. There's some sort of holes more. I don't want to infect or dirty the chrysalis because that will make them die. And bye-bye butterfly. It smells like some kind of cookie batter.
Where do you come from? How do you grow? How do you change, then where do you go? Exactly how does?
So as you can see, one is a cocoon and it's not moving when you shake the bottle. And the rest is just a J. The other one is a cocoon and 3 are in J position.
Your life cycle flow. This is what I want to know. Oh, oh, oh! Where do you come from? How do you grow? How do you change, then where do you go? Exactly how does your life cycle flow? This is what I want to know.
Look, it's flapping its wings.
An egg hatches and becomes a tiny caterpillar. This is called a larva. It grows bigger and bigger. It forms into a insect with wings. A butterfly comes out looking for a mate, and then it lays more eggs and it starts all over again.
Where do you come from? How do you grow? How do you change then?